World's largest aircraft has been destroyed by the Russian troops. The aircraft, an A-225 Mriya, which has been nicknamed as the Dream and was stationed at Hostomel, a city near Kyiv, has been destroyed. Russian troops attacked the city of Hostomel couple of days back, and the aircraft, which was stationed at the Antonov Airport in Hostomel, which is very near to the capital of Kyiv, has been completely destroyed. Apart from that, Russian troops have killed many people in Hostomel itself, and Mariupol is still reeling under pressure from the Russian troops. Stay updated with me. Thank you.